I have a Wolf dual fuel range, and my relay board went bad part 807,052. What are the steps involved in repairing this issue, and if I can fix this issue myself? Is there any soldering involved or is it just plugging the new board in? How long does this repair take?
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. The front control panel will need to come off and then the board tray will loosen and slide out for replacement. See the attached pages. It should take around 30 minutes or less. All connections simply unplug and plug in. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.